training your team on Tenable security doesn't have to be complicated, and in this video, I'm going to break it down into actionable steps that will make it easy for your team to get up and running with this powerful tool. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to implement it effectively, and at the end, you'll hear about an exclusive offer for a free trial. Let's dive in. First, Tenable Security is a vulnerability management platform that helps organizations identify, assess, and fix security vulnerabilities. To train your team, start by giving them an overview of what Tenable does, helping them understand the importance of continuous monitoring, identifying weaknesses, and prioritizing vulnerabilities based on risk. Next thing you'll need to do is get your team familiar with the dashboard. The Tenable Security Dashboard is the central hub for all of your data. It shows you a high-level view of your security posture, like the number of vulnerabilities, critical assets, and trends over time. Have your team explore this interface so they can easily navigate it in future assessments. The better they understand the dashboard, the quicker they can take action on what matters most. The third thing you should train your team on is scanning. Tenable offers several scanning options, from basic scans to advanced, scheduled scans. Make sure your team knows how to create, configure, and schedule scans to fit your organization's needs. Walk them through the steps, choosing a target, configuring scan settings, and selecting the right plugins. Don't forget to cover how to set up alerts, so your team can respond to vulnerabilities as soon as they're discovered. The fourth thing is training on reports. Tenable's reporting features are key to understanding your security landscape. Show your team how to generate, customize, and interpret reports. These reports will help you track vulnerabilities, their severity, and the remediation steps taken. Knowing how to generate actionable reports is critical to making informed security decisions. Encourage your team to experiment with custom report templates to save time in the future. Another important part of training is setting up remediation workflows. Once your team identifies vulnerabilities, they need to know how to address them. Tenable integrates with a variety of ticketing systems, so show your team how to link vulnerabilities to your existing incident response workflow. Make sure they understand how to prioritize fixes and manage patches to reduce risk. Next, let your team know about the Tenable knowledge base and community resources. Tenable has a wealth of documentation, user guides, and forums where they can find solutions to common problems and connect with other security professionals. Make sure your team knows where to go for help when they need it. Finally, always be updating and improving your process. Vulnerabilities evolve, and so should your team's skills. Set regular training sessions to update your team on new Tenable features and security trends. Continuous education is the key to staying ahead of potential threats. Remember, you can try Tenable Security completely free from the first link below, and we've got exclusive bonuses for you. Make sure you check it out after this video. To recap, the key steps to training your team on Tenable Security include understanding the platform's core features, mastering the dashboard, conducting and scheduling scans, interpreting reports, and using Tenable's remediation workflows. Don't forget about utilizing the knowledge base and continuously updating your team's skills to stay ahead of threats. Thanks for watching, and remember, by clicking the first link, you can take advantage of an exclusive, extended free trial to Tenable Security. Happy training!